Sure, you want to do these requests?
Yes.
Okay, let me find your paper. I got some paper here. How many do you want to do?
3.
3? You sure you don't want to do more?
3.
3? Okay. Okay. Go for it. This is for Brooks Rogers.
Yes.
Nice.
Okay, our mortgage will be,
What's the request?
A lion holding an umbrella.
Nice. You want to sign it? This one is for Ian Aguado Bush. I love it. Sitting on the ground. What's the request?
A T-Rex playing the drums.
Awesome. One more. Do you know what a mastiff is? It's a big dog. Do you want to see a picture of it?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we looked at a picture of a mastiff. This is a smiling mastiff. For Barbara Townsend. He just looked at it briefly. You've probably seen the dog before. I call that a toothy grin. It's got a lot of teeth. Awesome.
Yes.
Great job, Trini. Okay. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Give me 5. Good job, bud.